You know, I just think that school is such a formal environment, and I thought it would be nice if we could let loose and drink a little wine, get to know each other. Oh my gosh.
What?
Look at you. You're like that school marm in the movies who lets down her hair and va-va-va-voom.
I've never gotten a va-va-va-voom before. Thanks. You look nice, too.
Oh, please. I didn't even get a chance to change. My ex was late picking up MJ, which is insane because he lives right across the street.
Your ex lives across the street?
He decided to shack up with my best friend, and people wonder why I'm through with men.
So, what are we toasting to?
Getting to know each other better. Oh, napkins.
I'll drink to that.